สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gary Cooking Ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Our cooking class today we're gonna cook fresh spring roll. Fresh spring roll is very healthy menu and it's not too difficult for you to try with me. Okay, so this menu we have to do for two parts. One for the fresh spring roll and the other one for the dressing. Okay, and first time we have to prepare all the ingredients, and you can see the ingredients like this.
Come on and cook with me at Asian Scenic.
Okay, for the fresh spring roll, we need to use the spring roll paper. Okay, spring roll paper made from rice or made from wheat, whatever you can find in your market, and bean sprout, cucumber, spring onion. This one is Chinese pork sausage, pork Chinese sausage or something like that. Firm tofu, egg, and this one is the red chilli, not too spicy, and this one the powder of Chinese spices. Okay, this one is something with more Chinese ingredients, but actually I'm not sure is Chinese food or not, but you can see a lot in Thailand. Okay, anyway we took over, or I don't care. Okay, so first time we have to provide the vegetable first. Bean sprout we don't eat fresh. We soft boil. Okay, put in the boiled water. You see, hello doggy. Okay, and boil it for a while. Yeah, see. Okay, we boil it for a while, and then drain it and put in the cold water. Put in the cold water. This. Why in the cold water? We want to stop cooking. And then cucumber. We use the large cucumber. We chop in half, chop in lengthwise. Okay. Slicing lengthwise, and put in the cold water as well. The cold water. Like this, all the vegetable in the cold water to keep fresh. But after soaking all the vegetable, when finish the vegetable process, and then egg. Okay, egg. Crack the egg and beat it. Beat the egg and stir, and little bit oil or without oil. We want to make thin. finish the egg process and then Chinese sausage and tofu boil. We have to boil the Chinese sausage, should not fry. If you fry this, it's too oily. Keep boiling. Keep boiling for a while. Okay, that's already cooked. Then here, okay, and cut in half to make sure it's already cooked. And keep the water boiling, and then we prepare the tofu. We slice tofu in cut slice, not too thin, unless after you boil it is too mushy. Just like this, and then drain the water, and also add the Chinese spices. Yeah. Keep boiling. We have to boil until the tofu change to brown color. We slice lengthwise, cut in half, and half again. See closer here. See. Put here for the meat part. Now you see the tofu change to brown color. Okay, then we pick the tofu, but be careful. But actually, if you worry to mushy the tofu, you can fry the tofu first. But for me, I don't like something fried. That's why I just olive oil. Okay. And for the liquid, for the water, you just leave like this because we need the water to make a dressing. Okay. For the red seasoning, sugar, salt, sesame, mix together. Stir it until the sugar is gone. And then cornstarch mixed with water already. Then 2 tablespoons. 1, 2 to make thick. Then mix together. Okay, thick like this, strong bubble like this, and then we have to taste. It's supposed to be sweet. Sweet should be the main flavor. Sweet, salty, and the texture and smell from sesame and all the flavor together. It should not only sweet, but sweet and salty together. Okay. Back to this station again. Time to roll. If you love Japanese food, this is the same. Japanese food, Korean food. The vegetable, the fresh vegetable. Not too big bite. If you add too much, you will get a big bite. And of the paper, use water. This and one more. Reserve for a pair.
Come on and cook with me at Asia Scenic. Come on and cook with me at Asia Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real Thai at Asia Scenic. At Asia, come on and cook with me at Asia Scenic. Come on and cook with me at Asia Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook right a real Thai at Asia Scenic.
Egg topping.
At Asia Scenic.
And the last one, to make more color, the large pepper, like and serve with spring onion.
With me at Asia Scenic. Come on and cook
That's one.
with me
Easy and
at
it's quite healthy.
Asia
I like when I eat it. I like the sauce. I like the sauce. It's a thick sauce.
how to cook.
And how to eat it? Use chopstick, roll, tongue, whatever, and I use hand.
At Asia Scenic. At Asia.
Texture from cucumber and boiled bean sprout, and the flavor from the tofu and the sausage. It's crispy, and this one is sweet and salty. It's so good. And if you like spicy, it's with chili and spring onion. It's good combination. Try to do that at home. And if you like this clip, you can follow me and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. But if you travel to Thailand, don't forget to come to my cooking school, Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, and see you next clip. Don't forget to try at home. Bye bye.
How to cook. We're gonna have a